What's up, boys? Tonight we're gonna draw one of the top 10 from Dragon Ball Super. And for one of these episodes, we're gonna be counting down one of the top 10 fusions from Dragon Ball Super history. Tonight we're gonna start with Ultimate Buu from Super Dragon Ball Heroes and Dragon Ball Super. Basically, by now, you guys probably never heard of anyone say Ultimate Buu up until now. He's basically a fusion of Super Buu and Cumber. And when Super Buu fuses with him, he possibly becomes fueled by Cumber's Saiyan power and Majin Buu's instinct. If they ever released this in the show, that'd be a real tongue twister. Get it? Tongue twister? Anyways, drawing Ultimate Buu is actually kind of easy. As you can see, you saw me draw the head. Now we draw the tentacle here on his forehead.
Russian troops conducting a widespread assault from three sides. General Jackson a moment ago telling us a limitless logistics.
Next, we draw the panels here on his side. After fusing with Cumber, his muscles get more bulky and kind of bulgy, actually. As you can see, he's more of a Saiyan more than a Majin in this form. Here's his majin belt. Here's his fist. As you can see, the fusion of Super Boo and Cumber is almost finished. I'm proud you all got to see me draw this guy. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. And yes, I'm glad I got this done. That's how you draw Ultimate Boo! Anyway, this fusion isn't the only one we're drawing. There's more like this on the way. So, Stegosaurus, see you later.